You're watching Kids, Crafts, and Family Fun.
We're making mini pizzas today.
These are the ingredients you'll need. Cheese, pepperoni, round brown bread, and pizza sauce. First, we're gonna need to take our round bread.
What do you make a round bread?
Let's put it on our plate. Now we're gonna open this can of pizza sauce with magic. Boom! Wow, it opened up. Now we're gonna need to use the pizza sauce and spread it on our round bread. This looks delicious. Yum.
Mama, I need some more.
Spread it all around.
Oh, slow. How like it, Mama?
Now we need to put some cheese on it. Let's take some cheese. Now, if you want pepperonis on it, you can let's go ahead and put them on.
I don't want to put pepperoni on.
I like to make mine look like a smiley face.
What's all that noise?
That's my little brother Jackson. He's playing on the floor close to us. Hina, are you ready to eat? Mm-hmm. This looks delicious. Time to eat. Yum, this looks delicious. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe.